Hello again, Miss Amy. Looking at video journal number 10, and it is, let me just move this down right here. There we go. You're talking about registering copyright. You had some other Linda videos that you wanted us to watch. So, first question is it mandatory to register your copyright? There's no mandate for registering your copyright. Follow-up question, why would you register your copyright? You would register your copyright specifically if you wanted to sue. Um, but being proactive about it, you would register it just if you thought that anyone would be persuaded or to use your work or to copy your work. So, how do you find out if a work is in the public domain? What are the 2 points that would put a work in the public domain? You can find out if a work is in the public domain by searching the Copyright Office database. And 2 of the points to put something in the public domain would be that it would have had to have been published prior to 1923, or it would have to be the work of the federal government. So you ask, how do you find out if permission was given for a work to be in the public domain? I think that I derived the best answer to that is to do not assume. That's how you find out, and you do your due diligence to go straight to the source and investigate to ascertain whether or not it was actually given to the public domain. And you ask, should you put the C on your copyrighted work? Will putting the C on a copyrighted work allow you to collect for damages in a court of law? You should put the copyrighted C on your work, but it is no guarantee. It's not going to guarantee you that you're going to get damages in a court of law. What guarantees you that almost guarantees you that you could receive damages is if it was registered, referencing the second question. If it was registered prior to the infringement occurring. And that's it for video journal number 10. Thank you, Miss Amy.